Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can send a video meeting or video recording from your Loom library to your contacts and co-editors via Gmail. So let us get started. So guys, for this method you will need to access your video library within your Loom account. So navigate to the Loom web application, log into your account, select your workspace in the top left, and here navigate to the library. Click into videos here. Go through a video library and select a given one by clicking into this, into these three dots here. Select share, and from that menu here, switch from external to social. Click into share in Gmail, or alternately you copy the invitational link here if you don't want to use Gmail but any other email provider, and use the invitational link here to send the given video meeting or recording to the given contact via email. But you could use the plugin here also directly to get redirected to that compose email menu here on Gmail, and you will already see the invitational link here. Insert it into the email text. You may enter the recipient's email addresses here, and once that's done, send the given invitation to the given video recording by clicking into this button. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.